Hey everybody, Will here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to reset the oil change indicator light in a 2006 Toyota Camry. Procedures will be similar for most Camry models from 2006 to 2011, but can vary depending on display and vehicle type. We've detailed the steps for each type of display to help you properly and easily reset your maintenance light. Here's how to reset your oil change notification if your Camry is not a hybrid. With your ignition turned to on, switch the display to trip meter A. Now, set the engine start-stop switch or ignition switch to off while the odometer is showing trip A. While pressing the trip meter reset button on the stem, set the engine start-stop switch or ignition switch to on. If you do not have a multi-information display, continue to press and hold the button until the trip meter displays all zeros. If you do have a multi-information display, continue to press and hold the button until you see a confirmation message on the display. Here's how to reset your oil change notification if your Camry is a hybrid. With your ignition turned to on, switch the display to trip meter A. Turn off the hybrid system with the odometer showing trip A. While holding down the trip meter reset knob, turn the power switch to on mode. This message will appear on the display. Hold down the knob for at least 5 seconds. When this message disappears and the master caution indicator light turns off, the reset is complete. That's it. We hope this video has been helpful. But if you still have questions, we'd love for you to stop by a store, O'ReillyAuto.com, or contact us on social media. We'll see you again soon.